Welcome back to the Dr. GPCR University. Today, we'll explore the essential science and, most importantly, practical art of quantifying ligand binding in GPCR systems. Most scientists know affinity matters, but the nuances of measuring KD, Ki, or Kb and avoiding assay pitfalls are often overlooked. In this masterclass with Dr. Hoare, we'll sharpen your ability to interpret binding data, optimize your experiments, and diagnose artifacts before they derail discovery. You'll learn how to uncover empirical versus mechanistic affinity parameters, navigate the pros, cons, and technical details of radioligand and fluorescent binding assays, apply best practices for analyzing antagonists, agonists, and complex behavior so your results drive real-world decisions. This course is your next step in mastering advanced GPCR pharmacology and data analysis, part of the journey with the Dr. GPCR University. We empower scientists to advance GPCR therapeutics with resources and global community made just for you. And now, let's get started.